Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you on how to do blood sugar test at your home. So here I have ordered a new On Call Plus Glucometer. So it is pretty cheaper in market. It costs around 575 rupees. It is much faster, reliable, and result wise also it is pretty accurate. That's what I have felt. So its carry pouch looks pretty solid. Anyway, here you will see some Lancets. Actually you will get a very limited number of needles. Here is the glucometer, and here you will get a code as well as a shell separately. 007 is the code which should be displayed. So let's put the shell and insert the code like this. So here you have to put this code. So once you insert this code, so let's turn on this. So now the device is on. Here this is the hour format it is asking. Anyway, you can set it up later as well. So let's see the glucometer strips available with this device. So here you can notice around 10 strips are coming with this model. Once it is over, you can purchase these strips additionally. For 50 strips, it costs around 325 rupees, which is much cheaper compared to the other brands. So anyway, I'll be providing the product link in the description. You can take a look. So 007 is the code. So it should display. Then it means device is working as expected. So it will take around 6 to 7 seconds to produce the result. So one thing to note here is like there is a variation of around 20 to 25 points compared to the results produced in the lab versus result produced by this glucometer. So here we are doing fasting sugar. So around 140 is coming here, but in the lab the same will come around 120. After 2 hours of taking meal, if you do a blood checkup, here you can notice around 167 is coming, but in the lab it comes close to around 150 to 155. Again, I am not saying this is highly accurate, but there is a variation of around 20 points. So I think which is still good according to me. If you have used any other devices, please let us know in the comment. Thanks.